babies. So these are our new bunny friends. And whenever I get new bunny friends, I put them with our bunnies. But I put them in a cage first so the other bunnies can get used to them. So they'll stay in the cage for about a day or two, and our bunnies can smell them and get used to them, and then we let them out and they'll be free-ranged. Hi baby! Free-range bunnies. Yeah. Free-range bunnies like the rest. Say hello. Such a pretty group, such a pretty group. These are lion head mix. You can see they all have a cute little mane. The little lion head mane. Yeah, say hi. Hi guys.
Rabbit manure is in the top 5 of good plant fertilizers which can be used right away. Nutrient-rich, rabbit manure is a potent organic fertilizer containing essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients. These nutrients are vital for plant growth and overall health. Available at EPPS Urban Homestead Farm.